So let's summarize a little bit. In this course, what are I just showed one example to show, okay, linkage between microstructure and the process and the underlying thinking. So in this process, what are the topics we are going to cover? We're going to talk about introduction, as we said today. We're going to talk about the phenomena called diffusion. Very, very important. We're going to spend several weeks on the phenomenon of diffusion to understand it. And we'll talk about why it matters so much. Okay? Phenomena and theories. And we are going to talk about interfacial phenomena. Interface is the portion, the boundary that separate quite often different phases. Make sense? Between solid ice and the liquid water, that's a distinct interface. Make sense? Between, I don't know, between your liquid water and the liquid oil, that's also a distinct interface. Or between any of these solid material, that's also interface. And even within the same material, you are probably know that a little bit. There's a concept called grain, which is a small, quite often, crystal. And between grain, that's quite often so-called grain boundary. This another types of interface. You see? So we are going to talk about interface and related phenomena. Why? Because as you see, all this microstructure change, that's always interface. Make sense? Whether it's grain boundary between the same phase or between different phase. And it's very important to control the microstructure and understand process. And we are going to talk about solidification and nucleation. Solidification is going from liquid to solid, which is the simplest form of phase transformation. Nucleation is how that seed or that nucleus grow out. You see that I showed you before. For the low temperature 1150, it's actually a nucleus, right? You see it? And then phase transformation. Towards the later part, we're going to talk about phase transformation. Finally, we'll talk about some of the very simple mathematical models for phase transformation. These are the topics that we will cover in this semester.